So I made this video with my friend Alex several years ago now, and I want to show that to you today. So take a look at this.
I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Jodeci cry. Do things that you want me to. Like controller. Like controller. I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you see me is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. And last night, I think I lost my patience. Last night, I came to a realization, and I hope you could take it. I hope you could take it all. Everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime if you let me love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch you, if you let me love you till the mañana. If you let me love you, if you let me love you.
So I loved Alex's dancing. I really liked the videography from Myles. I'd changed some stuff about my drum performance for sure. You know, I think the tom sounds were wrong. It's like big arena rock toms, and I'd changed those to be more electronic sounding. The overall just energy of my performance, I would change that. But it was a fun time. I think it's cool to look back on stuff you've done, critique it, so that you can get better moving forward. But also just, you know, kind of reminisce and enjoy those good times. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a great week. Thanks for checking Tempo League out. Run over to tempoleague.com. Check out the Better Hands course if you want to improve your hands. And yeah, happy drumming.